હાય એવરીવન, નમસ્કાર. હું છું શર્મિલી રાજ. સૌથી પહેલાં તો મેની થેન્ક્સ ટુ પુરાવી કે એમને આ શરૂઆત કરી છે. અરુણભાઈ માટે આખું વેબસાઇટ બનાવી, પેજ બનાવ્યો અને અમને ચાન્સ મળ્યો ટુ ટોક સમથિંગ અબાઉટ અરુણભાઈ. એન્ડ થેન્ક્સ ટુ જેડી, એમના કારણે હું અને પુરાવી એકબીજાને કનેક્ટ થઈ શક્યા અને આગળ વાત કરી શક્યા. સો યસ, ટુ બિગિન વિથ, અરુણભાઈ વિશે મને ઘણું બધું કહેવું છે અને ઓફકોર્સ ગુજરાતીમાં જ વાત કરવી છે. our mother tongue, our language, our culture. But I think I should continue. I want to continue in English because I want this. These thoughts about Arunbhai જે experiences share કરવા છે, I want this to go to a larger audience. મતલબ જે લોકોને ગુજરાતી ન સમજ પડે એ લોકો માટે બી I want them to understand what Arunbhai was. So hence I'll continue in English. Yes, Arunbhai, what do I say about him? He was a very beautiful soul, a very beautiful human being. Always very jovial, always very fun-loving, very light-hearted, and very passionate about his work. Very, very much in love with filmmaking. Not only direction-wise, but everything from stories, screenplay, dialogues, direction, camera, angles, acting, performances, everything. The whole art of filmmaking. He was in love with it. It was his passion. I think that is what kept him motivated and kept him going all the time. He was full of energy, full of life, full of fun. So yes, I have some wonderful moments with him. I still remember that was my first film, my first Gujarati film that I did with him, Lakhtani Ladi Vilayat Novar. And that time I was very new, very raw, very naive. I didn't know much about acting, I didn't know much about performances, I didn't know much about anything. So that was just my beginning. And somehow I was lucky enough to work with him. And he taught me so much. I have learned so much from him. So much. Puravi was sharing with me that she remembers કે એકવાર એ લોકો સેટ ઉપર આવ્યા હતા અને English. They had come on the sets once and there was some scene that I had not done correctly, I had not done properly, perfectly, and Arunbhai was shouting at me and scolding, and I was very naive. If anyone shouts at me even a little, I will start crying. And I had started crying at that time, and Puravi was telling Arunbhai that please do not shout at her, do not scare her like this, she's like your daughter. So this is the moment that she shared with me. What I have to share is, I do not remember those tears, I do not remember crying. All I remember is how much I had learned from him. He has taught me many things, not only dialogue delivery, not only performance, not only acting, but how the character that I was playing, એ છોકરી કઈ રીતે ઊભી રહેશે, કઈ રીતે ચાલશે, how will she walk, how will she talk, how will she sit, how will she behave, everything, all mannerisms, dialogue delivery, emotions, everything he's taught me. He's taught me camera angles, he's taught me how to face the camera, how to stand, where to stand, how to take your lighting. He's taught me everything, and that is all I remember today. That yes, I have learned many things from him, and I was so lucky that I got to work with such a wonderful person, such a wonderful director, that I got to learn so much from him. And then cut to, after that I did many films in Gujarati, and by that doing lot many films. I polished myself. I kept on learning a bit here and there, and then my last Gujarati film, Rangai Jane Rangma, I had again done with him, and matlab, yes, by that time I had learned a bit, so I think that time he didn't have to shout at me, but at that time, I still remember those lot many emotional scenes that we had in that film. Um, Very, very intense emotional scenes, and I remember discussing with him those scenes. I remember living those scenes. He was also living those scenes when he was explaining them to me. When he would explain a particular scene to me, he would actually live that scene. And when I listened to him, yes, I would grasp all that. It was a wonderful give and take that we had. It was fun. It was fun working with him. Always very close to my heart, very dear to me. In my first film, when I was so new, I was still learning everything. I still remember, he used to enact the whole scene for me. He would say that this is how you have to act, this is how you have to talk, this is how you have to deliver your dialogues, this is the kind of expressions that I want. And I would just keep on looking at him. I would go in a daze. I'm looking at him. I would just keep on staring at him, and then exactly copy him in front of the camera. And somehow that used to work well. So I think that is the time when I started picking up things and learning from him. And in the last film that I did with him, Rangai Jane Rangma, I think we had a wonderful tuning by that time. Whatever he wanted from me as an actor, I could deliver it. And I am a completely an director's actor. So, he knew me so well. He knew how to get things out of me, how to get those emotions out of me. He would explain it to me so well, and I would enact, I would perform, I would deliver, and he used to, I could see that smile in his eyes that yes, you're doing it right. So that was everything for me. I wish I could have done many more films with him. There was so much more to learn from him. I wish I still could have spent so much time with him. But yes, he is always with me in my heart and in my art that I am still lucky enough to continue doing. So, yes, Arun bhai, you would always be with me in my heart. Lots of love to Arun bhai, and thank you so much. Thank you. I miss working with him.